Welcome back to Let's Be Adventurous. Today I got another project for you. I'm going to install a Valterra sewer hose carrier on the back underneath side of my camper. As you can see, my camper doesn't have a back bumper, and the only storage I have for it is up front and the pass-through, or there's another storage holder for a sewer hose, but that is too small for the hose I have. Guys, what came in the box. It was no thrills packaging there. It's got a little middle support bracket, little instructions, some self-tapping screws, and the hose carrier itself. The hose carrier telescopes, so you can pick up on one end of it and make it longer for whatever frame size you have underneath your RV. So I'm going to show you guys how to install this, and we'll see how it works. Here's my pass-through storage here. You can see it's a mess. I've got a fresh water bucket with my 0G hose, my 30 amp cord, an extension cord for 30 amp, leveling blocks. I've got my weight distribution hitch bars. Back in the back there's a black hose for a black tank flush, and our sewer hoses and elbows. I'm trying to just straighten this up. It's kind of a mess. It's hard to get to anything, very disorganized. So I'm hoping the having the sewer hose in the back by the dumps is really going to help. The front of my trailer actually has a sewer hose holder in the front. You can see it's got a hole cut out and an I-beam, and then it's got a Valterra hose holder. Basically the same thing I have. And you see, if I go to the side, you see it's in there, but it's very short. It doesn't hold even my full length of sewer hose, and I have 2 lengths of it and an elbow, and it doesn't hold anything. So I'm going to put the longer one in the back, and I can always use that one as storage for something else. Alright, I'm at the back of our camper here. So you can see I have a black and gray tank. That's going to be the gray tank for the shower in the bathroom. That's in that one valve. And then if you move over, I actually have another valve for the kitchen gray tank. So I've got 2 valves in the back here. I am thinking about mounting.
I do see poop.
You see poop?
Yeah.
Ew. I'm thinking about mounting the sewer hose holder in between the jack and the black valve there. So we'll see what we can do. Alright, I got it secured on the driver's side with the self-tapping screws. You can see that I used a jack stand to support it on this side while I screwed it in so it wasn't hanging down on the ground. Basically, there's 2 chloroplast sheets right here, and I just split the middle of it. That was the easy, no fuss way to measure it all. So we're going to get these screwed in. It uses a self-tapping screw. It's a 3/8 nut on there. I'm using a just a nut driver and an impact, and I've had no issues. I just want to let everybody know that I did do a thorough rinse of my sewer hoses last time we dumped, and I will wash my hands after this. Alright, so both hoses are in, and it looks like I'll be able to close my cap. You can see my hoses have a little spring to them, but with them both in, looks like the cap will still shut here. Alright, even with the sewer hoses being a little springy, I've got it secured. It ain't going anywhere, and it's ready for the next camping trip. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give us a follow, like, and share with any friends you have. Thanks very much. See you later. Let's be adventurous.